students, I am your mathematics teacher. Today we will talk about one important number system, Roman numerals. When we writing numbers, we use the Indian number system or Indo-Arabic number system. Okay. Previous sections we already talked about that Indian number system, international number system. So we know the place values, what are the place values are there. So we learned them. But not only for that, we also used another number system, Roman numerals. We used some places only when we in class, we use the Roman numbers. When you are in writing classroom section, first standard, second standard, third standard, up to 10th standard, we will use the Roman numerals now. So that we will discuss in this video. So Roman numerals, what are the numbers are there, how to write in number system, our number system and Roman numerals, and there are some rules and regulation. Okay, totally, if you look at it, these kind of Roman numbers only available. Example, we say is a 1, 2, I we call the 2, 3 ones we call the 3, then 4, 1 V and I we call 4. If you put left side, it's a 4. V, if you put only V, we call it as a 5. V, that right side, if you put 1, I, V, I, we call it as a 6. Then V double I, we call 7. Then V triple I, we call 8. Then we can put also like this, no? We can put V four lines like this. We do not write like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. We do not write like this. Why? We can repeat 2, 3 times. Minimum, maximum 3 times. 1, 2, 3. See, I put V here. 1 time I put. Then 2 times, 3 times. If I put 4 times, it's wrong. That's why they are giving some rules and regulation. We will discuss in next one. Okay. So we do not write like this. 4 times I in right side. Okay. Then 9 it means X left side I. So we call it as a 9. Only X we call 10. So same as in 11 X right side. If you put right side, we call it as 11. If you put X double I, the right side, 12, 13. Only 3 times. See X first time, second time, 3 times. We don't write like this 1, 2, 3, 4 times. We do not write like this. So as I told you, have some rules. Then after 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Then after that 19, 20. So we can write like this continuously. We can write. But we know how to write that Roman numerals because we already learned. But we want to learn that in this section, we want to learn the new extra Roman numerals. We know 1, V 5, X 10, L means 50. It's a Roman value. Okay. C means 100, D means 500, M means 1000. These are the Roman values. Okay. Now we have some rules and regulations. Why we don't put 4 I's right side of the V? Why we don't put left side of the V 3 I's? So we will see what are the rules. You just listen that rule. Then only we can learn the Roman numbers. Okay, students. I told you when we write the Roman numbers, we have to follow the rules. So they are giving some rules, we just follow that. First rule, if a symbol is repeated, its value is added as many times as it occurs. Example, 2i is equal to 2, double x is equal to 20 and triple x is equal to 30. Means its value 1, this value 1, 1 plus 1, 2. This value we know 10, this value 10. 10 plus 10, 20. Here add. Then 10, 10, 10. 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 10, 30. So add it. Means if any symbol repeat now, we have to add the value. You understand? If I put 2 times I, means 1 I means 1, 2 I means 2. So 1 plus 1, 2. It's added. So x value 10, another x value 10. I not put 2 10, but I write 20 means added. 10 plus 10, 20. So if any Roman symbol repeat now, we have to add that. First rule. Second rule, a symbol is not repeated. Maximum the symbol not repeated, but more than 3 times. 3 times we can repeat. I told you no, when we write Roman number like this, 1, so 2, then 3. 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. After 4 times, we do not write like this 4. I told you the symbol 3 times repeat. We can it's repeated, but 4 times not allowing. So that's why we put like this. 4 is less. We do not write like this. 4I. Okay. So that's the rule says, second rule. The symbol not repeated more than 3 times, but the symbol VLD never repeated. Keep in mind, VLD. You know what is the value of V? 5. L 50. Then D 500. These values, these symbols never repeated, but remaining symbols will repeat. But 5, then 50, then 500. These 3 symbols never repeated. So 5 V means 5, then L means 50, then D means 500. So these 3 symbols never repeated. So keep in mind, when you write in Roman number, don't repeat these symbols. Okay. Then third rule, if a symbol of smaller is written to the right side, smaller of right side, symbol of greater value, its value gets added to the value of greater symbol. Example, they are giving example. What the rule says? A symbol of smaller is written to the right of the symbol of greater value. Example, greater value C. It's a greater value. Okay. So, but I put I right side. V is the what the value of V? 5. It's a value 1. But if you look at it, it's a right side. So it's a greater value, it's a smallest value. The smallest value I write in right side. If you write like this, the value will be added. Might be added means 5 plus 1. We call 6. Okay? So it's a value 5. If you put right side, you have to add. Suppose we will see, we are going to discuss next rule, third rule, fourth rule. If you put left side, it's going to subtract it. We will see that. But now you know when the greater symbol of smaller value symbol, if you write in right side, that value going to add 5 plus 1, 6. Okay, that's a third rule. So we will discuss the next rule, means fourth rule. Okay, students. I told you when you write the Roman numerals, we have rule. Okay, so already we saw 3 rules. Again, 2 rules remain. We will talk about that. The fourth rule: if a symbol of smaller value, is written to the left of a symbol of greater value, its value is subtracted from the value of greater symbol. What it means? Example, V is the greater symbol. So left side I write smaller symbol I. If you write like this, it's subtracted. It's meaning for subtracted. V is a value of 5, I value of 1. So 5 minus 1, we will get 4. That's the rule, says the fourth rule. Okay. Then L means 50, X means we know 10. So 50 minus 10, we got 40. Then C means 100, X means 10. So 100 minus 10, 90. So this is the rule, says if a symbol of smaller value, it's a smaller value, X, I, this is smaller value, but 5, 50, 100 is a big value, greater value. If these kind of symbols, small, greater value, left side smaller value, means we have to subtract. But if previous rule, greater value, right side of the smaller value, means we have to addition, add. We have to add. The greater symbol, right side of the smaller symbol, means we have to add. But the greater symbol, right side of the smaller symbol, means we have to subtract. That's the meaning. Okay. The last but not least, the symbol V, L and D. V means 5, L means 50, D means 500. These symbols are never repeated and never written to the left of a symbol. We never write left of a symbol. Example, see. Here I write L, right side, not left side. Here I write C, right side, no? So like that, but in this symbol V, L, D, these three symbols never write into the left side. It's very important. We never write to the left of the symbol of a greater value. Example, that means V and D are never subtracted. We never subtract to the V, L and D. Okay.